Have you ever wondered how some of the most valuable fish in the ocean are caught and processed? Picture this: massive fishing fleets, advanced technology, and skilled fishermen working together to haul in millions of pounds of bluefin tuna and other prized species every year. But behind these impressive catches lies a complex, high-stakes industry that's both lucrative and controversial. How do European fishermen manage to dominate this billion-dollar market? And what's the real cost of their success? In this video, we're going deep into the world of bluefin tuna fishing, exploring the techniques, challenges, and hidden truths behind this thriving industry. Get ready for an eye-opening look at one of the ocean's most prized fish and the people who bring it to the world's tables.
Bluefin tuna, a remarkable species, can grow to over 3 meters in length and weigh more than 500 kilograms, showcasing impressive physical attributes that compel admiration. This majestic creature is not only known for its size but also for its unparalleled swimming speed, making it a true marvel of the ocean. In Norway, advanced fishing technologies such as sonar and drones play a pivotal role in promoting sustainable fishing practices. By employing these innovative tools, the industry effectively mitigates environmental impacts while ensuring the preservation of tuna populations for generations to come. The fishing industry stands as a vital economic pillar, providing thousands of jobs in areas such as fishing, processing, and transportation. The export of bluefin tuna notably contributes to high-end markets, particularly within the realms of sushi and sashimi, thus underlining its significance. Emphasizing sustainability, contemporary fishing practices include innovative approaches like tuna farming and the establishment of controlled environments. These methods are crucial in maintaining fish populations and minimizing ecological footprints, serving as essential models for future seafood security. The integration of advanced processing technologies, including vacuum packaging and individual quick freezing, markedly enhances product quality. These innovations not only meet international safety standards but also elevate the overall excellence of the seafood that reaches consumers around the world. The bluefin tuna processing industry stands as a beacon of economic vitality, generating substantial export revenue while also offering employment opportunities for thousands. This symbiotic relationship supports local economies and furthers sustainable fishing initiatives, creating a brighter future for both the industry and the environment. Norway's tuna processing sector prides itself on leveraging modern technology alongside stringent safety standards to meet the burgeoning global demand for high-quality tuna products. This strategic approach ensures that a consistent level of product quality is maintained, thereby building trust and reliability. The meticulous canning process embodies a commitment to quality control, involving thorough evaluations for freshness and stringent sterilization measures. This careful attention to detail enhances the product's shelf life and overall marketability, ensuring that consumers receive only the best. Significantly, the industry plays a crucial role in bolstering Norway's GDP through exports to high-end markets. By generating numerous job opportunities and emphasizing sustainable fishing practices, it actively protects marine resources while fostering economic growth. The tuna sashimi process, a delicate art, involves deep freezing and precise handling techniques to preserve freshness while effectively preventing bacterial growth. Quality checks, integral throughout the processing, ensure that every piece of sashimi meets the highest standards. Furthermore, certain parts of the tuna that do not meet sashimi standards are thoughtfully repurposed for other processing applications. This practice underscores a commitment to food hygiene and safety throughout the entire production cycle, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Norway's strict adherence to sustainable fishing regulations highlights the importance of protecting tuna resources while delivering high-quality sashimi to international markets. This dedication fosters a responsible approach to seafood production, ensuring that we nurture our marine ecosystems. Utilizing a blend of traditional Japanese techniques and cutting-edge technology, Norwegian bluefin tuna processing is designed to ensure exceptional quality and safety. This meticulous methodology not only enriches the product but also significantly enhances its overall market value. The processing of tuna sashimi in Norway takes pride in its natural composition, entirely free from toxic preservatives, and adheres to international food safety standards. This unwavering commitment to quality not only satisfies rigorous regulations but also boosts consumer confidence. With the rising demand for high-quality sashimi in Asia and North America, Norway is presented with remarkable opportunities to penetrate premium markets. By focusing on lucrative segments such as odoro sashimi, the industry can enhance brand promotion and solidify its presence on the global stage. Traditional tuna fishing methods, steeped in history, often involve the use of large nets and poles equipped with live bait. These techniques demand not only significant skill but also immense patience from fishermen, as each catch represents a culmination of effort and expertise in the open waters. In contrast, modern advancements, such as GPS and radar technology, have profoundly transformed the landscape of tuna fishing. These innovations empower fishermen to locate schools of fish with remarkable precision, optimizing their time on the water and enhancing their overall efficiency in the field. Furthermore, international organizations play a pivotal role in enforcing regulations aimed at preventing overfishing and fostering sustainable practices. Their efforts not only secure long-term economic benefits but also protect the fragile marine ecosystems that underpin our ocean's health. Equally important is the research and protection of marine areas, which are crucial for tuna reproduction and natural development. By gaining insights into tuna migration behavior, fishermen can identify critical habitats, thus ensuring the effective management of these vital resources. Moreover, international cooperation remains essential in managing shared marine resources. Agreements between countries facilitate the monitoring of tuna stocks, which is fundamental in sustaining fisheries and preserving the integrity of marine environments. Technological advancements in tuna fishing, including satellite monitoring and automation, not only boost operational efficiency but also minimize environmental impacts. As a result, these innovations lay a solid foundation for practices that are truly sustainable. In this context, community education programs emerge as vital in training fishermen and seafood businesses on sustainable fishing methods. By fostering a culture of responsibility, these programs ensure long-term economic benefits while safeguarding the marine environment. Establishing strict policies and regulations at both national and international levels proves crucial for protecting tuna stocks and ensuring sustainable fishing practices. Initiatives such as the creation of marine reserves and designating closed fishing seasons are essential strategies in this endeavor. Public awareness campaigns wield significant influence on consumer behavior regarding sustainable tuna products. By promoting responsible fishing methods, these campaigns empower consumers to drive meaningful change through their choices, opting for certified sustainable seafood. Additionally, advanced scientific research continues to enhance our understanding of tuna behavior. This knowledge is invaluable, informing fishermen and shaping policies that are critical for effective marine resource protection and overall industry sustainability. Technological innovations such as artificial intelligence and big data analytics further optimize fishing practices while mitigating environmental impacts. These breakthroughs enable accurate predictions of fish movements, ultimately helping to avert resource depletion. Finally, public-private partnerships within the seafood industry foster collaboration among diverse stakeholders. By uniting these efforts, we can create effective solutions for sustainability, enhancing education and refining fishing practices for the benefit of all. The integration of advanced technologies such as GPS and radar has profoundly transformed the landscape of tuna fishing. These innovations empower fishermen to pinpoint schools of tuna with unparalleled precision, significantly enhancing both efficiency and overall catch rates. In the pursuit of sustainability, there is a global push for responsible fishing practices. This includes implementing stringent regulations aimed at protecting marine resources, which in turn fosters the recovery of tuna populations. Such efforts are not merely beneficial, they are essential for the long-term viability of the industry. To alleviate the pressure on wild tuna populations, the exploration of tuna farming has emerged as a viable solution. While this approach promises a stable market supply, it is not without its challenges, including high costs and complex health management issues that must be addressed. The role of international policies, particularly those established by organizations like ICCAT, is fundamental in the regulation of tuna fishing activities. These policies set critical fishing limits and safeguard spawning seasons, ensuring the stability of tuna populations for future generations. Consumer awareness and engagement are paramount in the journey towards sustainability. By choosing certified tuna products, consumers play a pivotal role in protecting marine ecosystems and championing responsible fishing practices, which resonate deeply with the principles of conservation. Education and training initiatives for fishermen regarding sustainable practices are crucial. These programs not only foster compliance with established regulations but also significantly reduce negative impacts on tuna populations and the broader marine ecosystem. The implementation of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies in monitoring fishing activities marks a transformative shift in regulatory enforcement. These advancements facilitate enhanced compliance among fishermen, aligning their practices with sustainable fishing principles. Community education programs play an indispensable role in promoting awareness about marine resource protection. By actively involving local fishermen in sustainable practices and conservation efforts, these initiatives build a collective commitment to safeguarding our oceans. The need for international cooperation among countries cannot be overstated. Such collaboration is essential for harmonizing regulations and commitments, establishing a robust framework for tuna conservation and promoting sustainable fishing practices on a global scale. The involvement of international organizations, including the United Nations, is critical in the enforcement of regulations designed to protect marine resources and combat illegal fishing practices. Their efforts serve as a backbone for global conservation initiatives. Certification systems like the Marine Stewardship Council provide assurances that tuna products are sourced from sustainable fisheries. This not only benefits consumers by offering informed choices but also supports the fishing industry in its transition towards sustainable practices. Innovative financial mechanisms and conservation funds are being developed to assist fishermen as they transition to low-impact fishing methods. This support is vital in ensuring that they can maintain their livelihoods while adopting practices that protect marine ecosystems. Successful community-based projects in nations such as the Philippines and Indonesia exemplify the power of collaboration between fishermen and conservation organizations. These initiatives not only boost local incomes but also enhance biodiversity, demonstrating the potential for harmonious coexistence. Marine protected areas serve as vital havens for sustainable fishing while concurrently safeguarding essential marine resources. The success of these areas heavily relies on collaborative management strategies that engage diverse stakeholders in their stewardship. A critical examination of global consumption habits coupled with the promotion of certified tuna products holds the promise of alleviating pressure on wild tuna populations.
Such international Kooperation ist indispensable für Vorgehen effektive Agreements in marine resource management.
Encouraging consumers to explore alternative seafood options can substantially reduce the demand for tuna. This shift, along with sustainable agricultural practices, plays a pivotal role in redefining our dietary choices and preserving oceanic life. United efforts among tuna fishing nations are crucial for aligning policies and regulations to protect tuna resources from overexploitation. This collaborative approach strengthens conservation initiatives and ensures the preservation of tuna stocks for future generations. Establishing closed fishing areas during critical tuna spawning seasons emerges as a vital strategy for stock restoration. This approach not only benefits tuna populations but also enhances the health of other marine species, contributing to a more resilient ecosystem.
The world of bluefin tuna fishing is a blend of tradition, innovation, and high stakes, where millions of dollars are made with every catch. From the skilled fishermen to the global demand for this prized fish, it's clear that the industry is more complex than it seems. If you found this journey into the world of bluefin tuna fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Join the conversation in the comments and let us know your thoughts on the future of sustainable fishing and tuna conservation.